Hello, this is a short how-to video in case you need help recording your audio file or your video for your upcoming assignment, essay number 3. Just to review, I'm here on the homepage of our course. If you go into course module 3, you'll see down at the bottom the specifics, submit essay 3 here. And as you'll see, you have 3 choices for the assignment. Option 1 is just a straight up traditional literary analysis. You'll write 4 to 6 pages about 2 to 3 poems from a single poet. So that one needs no explanation. However, if you do option 2 or option 3, you do have the choice then to make a video recording or an audio file. Probably most of you already know how to do that, but just in case you don't, I'll give you a quick tutorial here. So you just want to download a voice recorder, or you can just use what's already built into your phone. I find that voice recorder is a good app to use if I'm using my phone to record. If I'm recording on my laptop, I like to just go to the website onlinevoicerecorder.com. It's super simple. All you have to do is hit the record button. Once you're finished, then you just save the MP3 file to your hard drive, or you can upload it then to whichever cloud you use. So basically, for the audio file, very simple. You'll record yourself reciting the poems with a short introduction to each poem, and then you'll save your audio file. And when you go back in to submit your assignment, that's when you'll attach the MP3 file along with your Word document or Google document of the typed portion of the assignment. If you choose to create a video, there's probably a lot of ways to do the video that you know beyond what I'm capable of doing. But if you're just completely starting from scratch, the simplest, which is what I'm using right now, is Screencastomatic. So here's the website. So you can just go to Screencastomatic. You can sign up for a free account or sign in with one of your existing accounts, like a Google account. Very simple then. You just hit the little record, launch recorder button, and then you get the choice to record yourself, record your screens, etc. So if you wanted, you could just have it straight, the camera from your laptop or your computer or your phone, straight on yourself as you recite. If you wanted to do a PowerPoint or maybe have a visual image and then do your recitation over that, you could do the screen sharing the way I am right now, and you can completely screen share, or you can have yourself as the little box in the corner. Once you're finished, then you have the choice either to upload your video to your YouTube channel or to your Google Drive. So that's an easy way then to create the link to the video. You'll find the video files are pretty big and it gets clunky to try to actually upload the whole file into Schoology. So that's why it's better to launch it over either on YouTube or in Google Drive. And then when you submit your essay back over here in your submission, you should be able to have, some comment to me where you can put the link, or if you want, you can just upload a document that has the link in it, or add the link into at the bottom of whichever document you do, if you're doing a reflective essay or if you're giving me your original poems. So short and simple, but hopefully that's a good, decent tutorial. As always, if you have questions, let me know, and I am really looking forward to seeing what you produce for this assignment. I think thinking about poetry through the lens of recitation and through how we hear the poem is really valuable, and something you may not have done as much in other classes up to this point. So I hope you really enjoyed exploring this module and thinking about this kind of approach to poetry, and I look forward to seeing what you submit for Essay 3. Good luck.